And he's on his feet. And he's on his back right by my, and he's back on his feet. It's coming right at me. Come right at me.
Here, so I think I have one of those. I think I've already replaced that before.
Yes, this is what happens.
That, yeah, this one's an RPM. This one's not. Hey!
Maybe you got, oh, so you got that one.
I have one of those parts. No trip to the hobby shop today.
Uncle will not be buying another car today. We're not going to the hobby shop.
Well, you never know.
You never know. Later on. We're back at our regular place. Whoa! She's gonna get there. Bring it right at me, eh? Woohoo! Making us another vid at 5.6. Alright, I think I got 4 or 5 minutes of excellent freaking video from the parking lot in here. And I know you guys aren't going to watch more than 2 minutes of this. Probably leave some sort of generic comment. So I'm going to shut down and go back to playing with my car. Hey, we'll probably get some more footage of the 4-wheel drives at the construction site. Alright? Till then, I'll catch you back on the tube. Bye-bye. Oh, I missed all that. Let me get a little, would you mind running mine for a bit? Here's Slick Rock. We're gonna run over to Bahia. Side to side.
You're gonna have to edit this like crazy.
Just hold the camera. You can watch how many seconds is right on that. Mine's a bit slower. Quite a bit. Alright. Slick Rock, she's working. Ian, you getting anything? The second's still counting down?
Yeah.
Gonna attempt the rock. Okay, we're running. Watch this, folks. We're going into the water and hopefully coming out the other side. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. There they meet, little brother, big brother. He's going back through the water again, I think. He's crazy, I tell you. That Tim Cameron, he's a rock climber. He's mad. He's underwater. And he comes out on the other side. Thank you all. He's going in again. We don't know how deep that is. Woo! And he climbs up and over. It's rock and roll time. Goodbye. Thank you for your participation. That's a 1-minute video to itself.